guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing wonderful. I hope you had a great Christmas and New Year's. I sure did. But it's good to be back filming. I haven't filmed a video in a long time and I am going to really try to do better. My goal for 2019 is to do a video a week, which is pretty big goal, but I'm going to try. I'm going to do my very best. So today I wanted to do a favorites video and I'm going to talk about just 5 things. Hopefully it'll be super quick, so I'm just going to jump right in and I hope you guys enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is something that I haven't had very long. I got it for Christmas from my mother-in-law and I already know that I'm obsessed with it and that I'm going to recommend it to everyone because it's such a cool product to have. So this is a little makeup mirror by Simple Human. And it comes in this little pouch with this little button closure, and when you pull it out of the pouch, the light cuts on and it is really bright, so you could blind you, but it's not too bright. It's just, and it has a couple different settings, like you can press it again and it gets brighter, and then you can press it again and it turns off. So yeah, it has it's a good size. I mean, that's the size of my hand, so it's not like super tiny mirror, but it's not super huge. Like you definitely could put it in your purse. And on the back it has this little ring, and you can open that up and put your finger through it and kind of hold it while you do your makeup, or you could set it on the table like so. So if you're traveling and you don't have access to a mirror, then you can use this, which I think is so great. And then when you put it back in the little pouch, the light cuts off and you just snap it into place and you're ready to go. So this is just awesome. Thank you, Miss Kim. I love it and I can't wait to get more use out of it. The next product that I want to talk about is a dry shampoo. So you guys know I always am on the hunt for a good dry shampoo, and I've been using the Batiste for a while. And I like it. It works really good, but it leaves the white cast. I've talked about that before. This, I think the brand is Hask, or maybe Chia seed. I'm not really sure. This part says Chia seed, but this dry shampoo I got at Walmart. It's super inexpensive. It says volumizing, and that is true. I love this. It doesn't make my hair white. It doesn't leave like a nasty feeling in my hair. It is volumizing, and it works. So yeah, it's a little cheaper, I think, than the Batiste too, and it's super easy for me to get. I get my groceries at Walmart, so I really like to get my dry shampoo there because I have to get it kind of a lot. Yeah, and I really like this one. So I haven't heard anybody talk about this, so which could be a good or a bad thing, but to me, this is good. So if you're looking for dry shampoo, I suggest the Chia seed one. So the next product I want to talk about is a moisturizer. I recently completely redid all of my skincare, got all new stuff, wanted to just start fresh with new stuff and see how my skin did. And it's doing really well, but probably out of all the products I got, this moisturizer is my favorite. And this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is so wonderful. I wasn't sure about it at first because it is really thin and I have really dry skin, so I thought, well, that's not going to be very moisturizing, but it is very moisturizing and it's good to layer under your makeup. And it smells like watermelon. Obviously, it's a watermelon glow pink juice moisturizer, but it smells really good. The jar is pretty. I know that doesn't really matter when it comes to the product, but it matters to me. I just love it. So I really have been liking this and I think I'm going to repurchase it. So if you want a very light but hydrating moisturizer, I would suggest this one. Next product is for the body. This is also something that I haven't been using for very long because I just got it, but it is so amazing. And I want to thank my sister-in-law for giving it to me because we went to her house for New Year's and she had an extra bottle and she knew I had been wanting to get some, and so she just gave it to me, which was so sweet. This is a shower oil by Buff City Soap, and the scent is Narcissist, and it smells so good and it feels so good on your skin. It says shower oil, and you certainly can spray it on in the shower, but I just do it right when I get out when my skin is still a little bit damp. It could be a dangerous situation if you use this in the shower, because I already have noticed that my floor in my bathroom can get a little slick if I put it like all over my feet. So if you're going to use this in the shower, you need to use it at your own risk because it could be dangerous. But yeah, I just use it when I get out, and it's so much better to me than lotion because you never can quite get your lotion like non-existent like once you've rubbed it in, but I feel like this is non-existent. Like you put it on, it's hydrating, it feels good and soft but not greasy, which you think it would because it's oil, but it's not. It's so great. So I would recommend this there's a store, a Buff City soap shop in Covington, which is where this came from, but you can order it online is what I'm trying to say. That was a lot. That's a whole lot. You can order it online. So I guess buffcitysoap.com. And this scent is Narcissist. And I would say you're probably going to love it even if you don't smell it before you order it. So the last thing I want to talk about is probably the most exciting for me because it's something that I've been wanting to add into my daily routine for a while now, but I'm never consistent with it. And that is vitamins. Yes, vitamins. Usually around October, November, December, I get one good bronchitis, one good sickness, and I'm usually sick for such a long period of time. And people always say, oh, do you take vitamins? Do you take vitamins? And I don't. I just don't. I don't take anything. I really try not to. But I know that vitamins would only do good. So I decided to try the Careof Vitamins, and I don't know if it's because they're in this cute little box or if it's because they're in this cute little pouch that says my name. I don't know what it is, but I have taken these every single day. Like, I'm excited to take them. And I feel really good, and maybe that's why I can just see a difference. So if you've maybe been wanting to get into vitamins, you go online, check the quiz, tell you what you need to be taking or want to be taking, and then they send you your personalized box with your little individual pouches each day that have all your vitamins in them, which is so cool. So the coolest part about this particular company is that they have an app that goes along with the vitamins, and you can set a reminder to help you remember to take them, and then you can also, once you've taken them, you mark that you've taken them, and it gives you points, and they call it carrots, and then you can save those carrots up and you can get free stuff or like money off your next pack or whatever. So it's just it's just an incentive to take your vitamins. I mean, you're paying for them anyway, so you know, take them and then get free stuff, which is great. So this has just been really good for me, and it's the only thing that's worked for me so far. And I think these vitamins are really good for you too. I mean, well, I guess not all vitamins, maybe some aren't, but these particular ones are formulated to be easier on the stomach. I did read that, and that's something I struggle with. Sometimes it can just be like way too much for my system. I guess I'm just too delicate. I don't know, but I really like these and I would recommend them. So if you're wanting to try some vitamins, then I'll link it below. I mean, I don't have any kind of affiliation, but I used Kendra Atkins code and I got 50% off, I think. So definitely don't pay full price for your first box because there's no need. There's a code probably on every YouTuber's description box. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what I'm loving. I would like to know what you're loving. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next week in my next video. Thanks for watching.